Welcome back to the Rock Academy. Today we're covering the LiDAR calibration flight. The first thing you want to know is that the calibration flight consists of 3 parts. The first part is after you've turned on the system and started recording the data, it's going to do a static alignment. This takes 5 seconds. You'll see it on the app on your phone. It says static calibration. And the next thing it'll say is waiting for high velocity. So after that 5 seconds, check. You just did your first part of the calibration. The second part is you're going to take flight with the drone. You're going to go straight up and you're going to fly forwards for 5 seconds at a high velocity. Just gun it. Give it all it's got. Go forward. Go straight line front with the drone. After that 5 seconds, you're going to fly 2 figure eights. That's 1 and 2 complete figure eights, and that's with the drone always pointing in the direction of the figure 8. So let's draw that out so you can see exactly what that looks like. Okay, so we're going to sit for 5 seconds here on the ground, and then we're going to fly straight up in the air. We're going to do our 5 seconds of forward flight, and then at this point we will fly 2 figure eights. These figure eights are with the drone going in the direction of the figure 8. So here is what it looks like. We sit here for 5 seconds on the ground. We're going to go straight up in the air. We're going to get above all of the foliage and anything that might be obstructing us. And you're going to fly forwards fast as you can go. Fly 2 of these figure eights. And that's with the drone pointing in this direction. So the drone will fly like this. So you need to yaw the drone to fly like an airplane in this direction. And then after you've done that, now you're all calibrated, you go ahead and fly your mission plan. During your mission plan, you can come back and change batteries. Just come, hit the ground, and then hot swap the batteries. Don't turn off the LiDAR or stop collecting data. Keep collecting, get back up in the air, keep flying. And at the very end of your flight, you're going to fly straight, head first, back toward your location. You'll fly straight back to above where you took off, and then come down and land. So again, that is straight at the beginning, straight in the direction of the drone, and straight at the end. The reason we ask you to do this is because we built this automated post-processing software, and it uses those 2 sections of the flight to calibrate the entire mission. So it's those 2 straight sections. Now, whenever I say go fast, it's actually anything above 5 meters per second. So if you're going to do a backwards, fly backwards here at the end, just make sure you do it slow, preferably below 2 meters per second. If you go fast backwards, it's going to trick our desktop software into thinking that that's the calibration direction and that's forward, but that's not forward. Forward is forward. So that's why we want to go forward fast and forward fast at the beginning and end. If you do both of those steps as well as the figure 8, you land on the ground, you sit for another 5 seconds at minimum, preferably you sit for a minute, and then you use your phone to stop the recording. Alternatively, there's a button right here. You can click it 1 time. That will stop the data logging. And then you can shut down from the phone. You can click the shutdown button, or you can click and hold the LiDAR like this. 1, 2, 3, let go, and it will shut down the LiDAR system and you've completed your flight. That was how to calibrate the R2A. See you here on the next one.